as the first light of dawn breaks. A vibrant blue cardinal awakens in its cozy nest, nestled in the branches of an old oak tree. The cardinal stretches its wings and hops to the edge of the nest, greeting the new day with a cheerful melody. With a confident flutter, the cardinal takes flight, soaring gracefully above the quiet neighborhood homes. The cardinal lands delicately on a bird feeder, sharing breakfast with other colorful visitors in the peaceful garden. After breakfast, the cardinal splashes playfully in a bird bath, refreshing itself under the gentle morning sunlight. As the day warms, the cardinal finds a shady spot on a garden bench, observing the world from its cozy perch. The cardinal joins its mate for an afternoon song, their harmonious melody echoing through the tranquil garden. As the sun begins to set, the cardinal returns to its nest, content after a perfect day in its backyard home.